I spent a full year and over $30,000 to learn AI. And honestly, I wasted a lot of time, effort, and money when I first started using it. Here's top 5 mistakes that I made so you don't have to. And the last one is the most detriment that most people make. My name is Vin Nguyen and I'm the co-founder of WorkSmart AI. We help local service business owners grow using custom AI solutions. And I make videos like this because I want to help business owners see the value of AI and not get left behind. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1. I avoided using it for a very long time because I thought you needed to be a techie to use it. Now the truth is, you do need to be somewhat techie to build AI solutions like AI agents or AI workflow. But other than that, you don't need to be a techie to use basic AI like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, or any other models out there. Also, just a word of encouragement. Stop putting labels on yourself that doesn't empower you to grow your business. Labels like, I'm not a techie. Because at the end of the day, being techie is just a skill that anyone can learn no matter the age. I know this because that was me. And instead of embracing tech to grow my previous business, I trade time and effort and brute force to try to grow it to the point of completely burning out, all because I did not embrace in learning a specific skill that I would call myself being a techie. And in this era, I think learning the skill of being a techie is so important because that's where the world is going. And the internet is so dominant now that we need to learn how to use it effectively. Because through learning that skill of being a techie and being able to use AI, you're gonna be able to raise your other skills too, because AI can give you the intelligence of marketing, sales, whatever skills that you need within your business, just through learning how to use technology better. Mistake number 2, I didn't have a plan. And because of that usually led to inconsistency, and I would usually forget about it. My encouragement to you is start small and have a plan. Start with solving one specific problem within your business instead of trying to chase shiny new AI tools. And ask yourself the focusing question, which is the question that I learned from the book called The One Thing by Gary Keller, which says, what is the one thing that I can use AI for within my business such that it's gonna make everything else easier? Start there and start small. Real quick, this is a new channel and we're on a mission to help business owners adopt AI so they don't get left behind. If you found this content helpful, would you please subscribe so that way we can grow and reach more business owners? Thank you. Mistake number 3, I didn't know how to communicate with AI effectively. And because of that, just like with so many people and their complaints of their outputs are just average or below average, that's because I didn't know how to communicate with AI effectively. And the solution to that is learning how to prompt properly. And there are so many prompting frameworks out there, but let me share with you a very simple one that I like to use called the RICE framework, which stands for role, assign AI a role. I is instructions, give AI specific and clear instructions. The C is context, so make sure you give AI context so it knows how to help you properly. And lastly, the E stands for examples. Give AI examples and define what good is, so AI can give you a good output. Mistake number 4 is that I didn't train AI on my business. Now look at it this way. In order for AI to do its best work, it needs context from you. The more, the better. Now there's 2 types of context. Situational context, which we talked about earlier in our prompting framework of RICE. The other context is the overall context, which is you training AI on your business. Now let me give you an example. It's kind of like if I were to go to a nutritionist and ask for help. Ask them to help to put together a meal plan for me to lose 20 pounds within the next year. Now that's the context I'm gonna give to them, right? I want to lose 20 pounds within the next year. And so they go ahead and put together a meal plan for me based on the situational context that I just gave them. And as I look at the results, the output, it has all these ingredients that I'm allergic to that I didn't tell them because I didn't give them the overall context of who I am. So they couldn't help me effectively. AI is kind of like that. It needs situational context and overall context. Now mistake number 5, which is the biggest one that I made, and I see a lot of people make this mistake, which is they sign up for too many AI tools and then at the end get overwhelmed and they use none of it. And what I learned through that is at the end of the day, it's not about AI tools. It's about what problems you're trying to solve and then working backwards to plug the right AI tools in it. So the main concept that I learned from that is this. It is not about chasing new AI tools, but it's about solving worthy problems with AI. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, then check out this video that I made for you called I spent a year and $30,000+ in learning AI, my top 5 lessons. It'll help you shortcut your AI growth. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.